Today we have the 2014 Audi Q3. This vehicle has done just over 70,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can see that we have tone, radio, media, and our vehicle settings. We also have navigation, smartphone integration, menu, and information. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking aid, front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control. And if we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.